Hello and welcome to today's video on how to gain work experience for your UCAS application. I'm Dr. Sarah Nichols and I'm here to guide you on what you need to know about gaining meaningful work experience for your university application and how that ties into your UCAS form. In this video, we'll talk about what you want to get out of your work experience, different ways of gaining work experience, how to make a good impression in your email introduction, timelines for securing your work experience, and before we dive in, if you're interested in a more immersive experience, be sure to check out StudyMind's summer work experience programs. Stay tuned in to hear the code for how you can get £100 off and get hands-on experience in your chosen industry, network with professionals, and get advice on your UCAS applications. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. First up, what do you want to get out of your work experience? Before diving into the search for work experience, take a moment to think about what you actually want to get out of it. What do you want to achieve? Are you aiming to develop communication skills? Do you want to understand your chosen career path better? Or perhaps you're looking for insight into a particular industry. By knowing what you want to get out of your work experience before you apply, you can be more focused when you do apply. For example, if you're interested in the creative industries, try to find placements that allow you to shadow graphic designers or assist in content creation. Think about the skills or areas of work that excite you and aim to gain experience in those areas. Universities value applicants who are clear about their career direction, and your work experience can show that you've started to make those early decisions. Section 2. Different ways of gaining work experience. So there are multiple ways to gain valuable work experience, and it's important to be creative in how you approach this. While internships and formal placements are often the go-to options, there are plenty of other opportunities out there. You could consider volunteering in your community, helping with events, or doing freelance work to build up your portfolio. Even part-time jobs can give you transferable skills, such as teamwork, customer service, and problem solving. And while I'm on the topic, here's a fun fact. Did you know that volunteering in non-work related settings, like at a food bank or a charity event, can also be seen positively? It shows that you care about your wider community, which is a key quality for many future employers. So try to be open-minded. Section 3, making a good impression with your introduction email. Okay, so now you know where to look for work experience, but how do you actually reach out? The key to making a great impression is with professionalism. When emailing potential placement providers, make sure to address the right person, and if you don't know their name, you can write something along the lines of "Dear Sir" or "Madam." Include a brief introduction about yourself, so who you are, what you're studying, and why you're interested in that placement. Make sure they know who is emailing them. Then go on to explain why you're interested in gaining experience with them specifically. What excites you about the work that they do? Attach a CV and a cover letter if requested. And here's a pro tip. Be polite and show that you've done your research. You can mention why their company aligns with your interests and future career aspirations. This will make your application stand out. Section 4, timelines. Start looking for work experience early. Many placements, especially in hospitals, legal firms, or universities, require at least 6 months' notice. So this is a good time to be proactive and send out emails well ahead of time. Also, remember that some work experience placements have rolling deadlines, so make sure to check with each placement about their timelines. Starting early will help you secure multiple placements and gain a broad range of experiences. You shouldn't be dismayed if you feel like you've left it a little bit too late or you haven't managed to secure any work experience. StudyMind's work experience programs have been designed to give you hands-on, practical experiences in the career that you're interested in. With programs in over 15 industries, all tailored to give you an insight into the career and learn valuable skills. Now, do you remember that code that I mentioned earlier in the video? Well, here it is. You can use the code SUMMER100 at checkout, and you can find this link in the description. To sum up, gaining work experience for your UCAS application is all about starting early, being proactive, and making a great first impression. So think about what you want to learn from each placement, and don't be afraid to think outside the box to get a variety of different experiences. If you're looking specifically for how to gain work experience for medicine, we actually have a separate video to guide you, which is listed in the description box below. It's definitely worth checking out that video. And of course, don't forget about StudyMind's work experience programs. These are a great opportunity to gain hands-on experience, and we offer programs in over 15 industries. Use the code SUMMER100 to save £100 on your booking. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any tips you have for securing work experience or questions about your own search. The comment section under videos like these can be a really helpful resource, hearing from other people who've gained experience and answering other people's questions. So make sure you leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.